Serious warning for all Kaspa holders right now on the one-day chart. Look at it here. After a creation of a new high, market come back down with this bearish formation, and on the RSI indicator, market enter into this very region of overbought condition and out. And what this means is that market have capacity of coming into this very level of 0.141. Okay, this level of support right here. That possibility is there. And also on Bitcoin one-day chart, market is coming all the way down, and a lot of crypto are coming all the way right down at the moment. What is the expectation from the market? All of these in this very video. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. On the Kaspa chart, market created a new high and is coming back down right now. Now, one important thing we need to pay attention to is the fact that Kaspa is a good coin to hold for this very bull market. What this means is that even though we see the market begin to come back down, I am not going to sell my Kaspa token. Okay, I'm not going to sell it because that very aggressive move is still going to come in the heat of the bull market in 2025. So even though market crashed back down into this very area of 0.107, I am still holding Kaspa. Rather, as market dip down, I will begin to buy more Kaspa at lower prices and wait for that very aggressive pump all the way to the upside. So this is what I am not paying attention to, is buying more as you see the market come back down. So it is an opportunity for people that have not bought to buy as the market begin to come all the way to the downside. And one interesting thing about this chart is that there is a divergence. If you look at from this very point right here of resistance to this very area, market was creating a new highs. Okay, and on the indicator, that is the RSI right here, you see from this very point to this very area, market is sloping downward, creating new low. Okay, this is a bearish divergence. It is a sign that the market have capacity of moving from here all the way to the downside. And what I am paying attention to is the market, first of all, to move down into this very zone of support, which is the 0.157 level. Okay, this very support level, very important. Once the market come in here, there is a capacity of market retracing. But we need to confirm this very divergence by a breakout of this very trend line. So we can confirm this very divergence from here. Market move all the way upward to this very point, and then on the indicator right here, you see the market is sloping downward from this point to this very area. So this is a bearish divergence, but yet to be confirmed. We can only confirm this when we see a breakout of this very level of support. This is a support trend line. Okay, so once we see that breakout, then this divergence is confirmed. What that means is after this breakout, market have capacity of moving all the way to the downside to this very point of 0.157 and also into this very zone of 0.143. Okay, this is what I am expecting right now on this chart. And from here, market can begin to move upward and come back down into this very zone of 0.107. Okay, this is the last bus stop. I am expecting this retracement to stop before the market begin to move all the way upward. Market may not come into this very zone of support. It may stop at this very area before moving upward, or it may not break this very level of support trend line as well. On the Kaspa chart, this is very important. So the first thing we need to pay attention to right now as Kaspa holders is for the market to break here. Once you see a market breakout, then the next point is this very zone before this very area of important support. This is what I am not paying attention to on this very chart right now. So I am not selling any of my Kaspa token. Like I said earlier, as the market moves downward, I am going to buy more into my portfolio. Okay, I'm going to add up to my portfolio for Kaspa at lower prices as market come back to the downside and wait for that aggressive move to come into the market in 2025. Kaspa is still a better token compared to other layer 1 and layer 2 coin that we have in the crypto space right now. So consider buying some Kaspa into your portfolio. And also on the 4-hour chart, we have this very important divergence that is on the chart right now. Okay, so look at it here. Market move all the way upward from here all the way to the upside, creating a new high. But on the indicator, we have something very different, and this is also a bearish divergence, which signifies that the market is going to move all the way to the downside. And this is exact same thing we are seeing right now playing out on the chart. So bearish divergence on the chart, we need to wait for this very market to break out from here all the way to this very point. And once we see this breakout happen, then this divergence is confirmed. So from this very point, wait for this breakout to happen, and the market is going to come back down. And what I will do is to buy more as market begin to come down on Kaspa, because that is a nice buy opportunity. Bitcoin 1-day chart, you see the market is coming back down right now with this aggressive candle yesterday after the NFP, and this aggressive candle is an indication that the market is very weak right now. Market have capacity of coming back down before the next move upward. Don't expect the market to create any new high if we've not break this very important level of resistance. Before any new high will be created, we need to see this very level break on this chart. So without a breakout on this very level of important resistance right here, market is not going to create any new high. Okay, we need to see that happen before a creation of a new high on BTC. So right now, pay attention to market coming back down. We're going to see the markets begin to move down in the next coming days before a retracement to the upside. Okay, so market have capacity of continuation of this very move all the way to the downside into this very level of 57 and 58k. Okay, this very zone right here. And also, if you look at the RSI indicator, the RSI indicator is not yet into oversold condition. So we need to see this very line extend downward as market begin to move all the way to the downside on BTC. This is what I am personally expecting right now. So it is a better time to short the market rather than buying the market on Bitcoin. Okay, so this is what you need to pay attention to at the moment on the Bitcoin 1-day chart. And don't expect any new high to come into the Bitcoin price right now. Rather, look for market moving all the way to the downside. Remember, when this market was moving upward, it did not create any new high. Okay, we have the very recent high at this very point right now. The market come back down and create a new low. Market failed to create a new high, and then it means that market have capacity of coming back to the downside from this very area. But the first point I am expecting market to pause is within this very area of 57 and 58k before a slight retracement and continuation to the downside. If we have not break this very level of important resistance, I am not expecting any new high on Bitcoin. This must break first before I will change my perspective about market creating any new high on BTC. BTC USDT 4-hour chart, shorting the market will be the nice thing to do right now as you see the market begin to come all the way to the downside. And notwithstanding, you must understand that there is a divergence that is causing this very aggressive move to come into the market, including the fact that the Fed kept interest rates unchanged on Wednesday, and also yesterday was the non-farm payroll, which is very bad for Bitcoin at the moment, and market is still going to come back to the downside. So if you look at this from this very point all the way to this very area, markets break out of this very trend line, and after this breakout, market is going to move all the way to the downside. So we have a divergence right here, which is making the market to make this very aggressive move downward. And if you draw it on this very area from here on the indicator to this very point, and you extend this to this very point, you discover that this is a very clear bearish divergence, which means market is going to come back down. And we see a breakout right at this very point. So after this breakout, it is expected that the market is going to move all the way to the downside, and that is what I am paying attention to. Another thing you need to pay attention to is the fact that market has moved all the way from here to the downside, and the market have capacity of retracing, okay, significantly before continuation to the downside. This is what I am personally paying attention to on the 4-hour chart. So you have to look at it in this very direction. Market has been moving all the way from here, okay, downward. Correction is needed for continuation. Market don't just move all the way straight down. And if you look at the RSI indicator, market enter into the oversold condition right here, and right now it's about to enter again, which means there is a possibility of this market moving upward on the RSI indicator, approaching this very overbought condition. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. If you trade on futures, wait for the market to retrace, then you look for a short opportunity for market to continue downward after retracement on the 4-hour chart, because I still believe that this market will still continue all the way downward. This is what I am expecting right now on the 4-hour chart BTC and also 1-day chart Bitcoin. On the Kaspa chart, I am expecting market to come back down after this very breakout on the 1-day chart, and I am going to buy more into my portfolio for Kaspa as price begin to drop all the way to the downside. And I'm going to tell you the exact time I'll be buying and add to my portfolio right here on this very channel. So stay up to date and watch current updates. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching.